too sloppy when I shot him. But anyways, fuck it. What's been up, man? How's your daughter? My girlfriend's pregnant too. I'm about to be a father.
How are you feeling, Cassie? Excited?
I'm feeling really good. I need to go to the restroom so bad.
How about you, Caitlin?
I don't have to go to the restroom so bad, but I'm really excited.
Oh, look where we are.
How are you feeling? I'm feeling really excited now that we're finally here. It didn't really hit me till now. Okay, which way are we going? This way?
What do you want to do? What are you looking for?
I want to feel the water and see, because it's like so blue and so clear. I just
like your eyes.
Water like that. I'm so excited.
Yes.
It'll be fun.
Broke it because you ain't got money in it.
I'm broke. I just sell my asshole now.
Look at this beautiful view. We just got, well, we got here like an hour ago, but
it's nice.
Look at how beautiful. Like our pool. She's got like the whole setup. I need to get on your level.
OnlyFans level. Where's my flower?
I'm a vlog.
I lost my flower. I just don't feel like myself without it. I'm really attached to it now. Sorry, I totally like didn't acknowledge your video. Hey.
It's okay. As long as I can remember that you really made me want. I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water. No matter how hard I try. Every time I take, every time I try.
I don't know the words.
This. Oh my god, no! You caught me at 4K, that's crazy. We gotta go wait until we get near, like, we're kind of passing the ghetto right now. On your right side, we have the valley, Waikio Valley. They call them valley boys. This is their sign, valley boys. It's all, I'm about to go past the military base. Biggest bite ever.
Yes.
What's that? Is it like peanut butter?
It's pork. Oh.
Peanut butter.
I mean jelly.
The bun is like super soft. This is my favorite taco place, Killer Tacos. This is like a super good spot. They have hard shell tacos that I really like, and I like their salsa. Burn out! Burn out! You won't! No balls!
Hey.
We can put it in my bag if we
I'm
need to.
terrified. I've never been in an ocean.
Is this our first time going out on the ocean? You'll be fine. It's gonna be fun.
My heart is racing.
No, there's room.
There's women, yeah, and on this side.
She want a photo, you already know though. You only live once, that's the model, nigga. YOLO, and we bout it every day, every day, every day. Like we sitting on the bench, nigga. We don't really play every day, every day. Fuck what anybody say, can't see him cause the money in the way. Real nigga, what's up? Oh my god, Becky, look at her butt. Now she want a photo, you already know though. You only live once, that's the model, nigga. YOLO, and we bout it every day.
Day 2.5 in Hawaii. We went on that boat yesterday. Did you guys have fun?
I did have fun.
Yes, it was very fun. But I got, yeah, as long as you get a good angle of me. It was really fun, except I was so annoyed because as soon as we stopped the boat and anchored it to like jump off the water, go swimming, I got so, I don't know if it was seasick, nauseous, I don't know. I was so sick, so I jumped in and then I got out and that was it. And then we were freezing, but it was so much fun. We went to dinner. We've still got a lot more fun to have. Today we're gonna meet with Miley again and she's gonna take us to more beaches and it's gonna be a fun day, so I'm excited. Alright, we made the decision to rent a car. It was the best decision ever. It's always a good decision to rent a car. Honestly, just technology these days is crazy because all we had to do was go on our phone, book it on our phone, show up, and the Bluetooth connected and unlocked the car for us and everything.
Wild. We were just saying how we felt like grandpas. We were like,
Yeah,
oh my god, I didn't know we could do that.
On our way to go pick up Miley. Who knows where the day will take us. We'll see. Yeah. It's sprinkling. It'll stop.
It only rains for like 5 seconds here.
I want you guys to think I'm talking to you because I'm not. I'm vlogging. So I would never talk to you guys. Just want to make that clear. I got this strawberry sandwich. Very odd, but it tastes like strawberry shortcake. It's fire. Hold on.
It's always a
Okay, your coach was.
So good. These waves, I have no idea what I fucking look like, so just ignore whatever it is. But these waves are seriously some of the craziest, biggest waves that I've ever freaking seen. First of all, this beach.
This is so secluded. We're like, I'm gonna get close.
Let's go, don't wait, it's like almost over, honest, let's make this like last forever, forever and ever, let's make this last forever, forever and ever.
Off to breakfast.
Going to breakfast.
I don't know what we're going to get.
I want some waffles.
That's what Miley said she wanted to.
Chicken and waffles? I want some chicken and waffles.
I never had chicken and waffles. I'm an egg girl. Bacon. Oh no, I'm a sausage, gravy, and biscuit girl.
I'm a country fried chicken, maybe some eggs for decoration, and hash browns, and sausage. I leave my eggs, I don't eat them. Like I just like push them to the
I
side.
sometimes do that, yeah.
It's like, okay, it's either I'm gonna get my protein from the chicken or I'm gonna get it from the eggs, and I'd rather get it from the chicken because I hate eggs.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move on.
Good morning. Do I look weird? Okay. Good morning. We are on day Wednesday, which honestly, when you think about it, it's kind of crazy because Saturday wasn't a full day. So then we've had Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and now we still have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we leave Saturday morning. So today we have such a fun day planned today. We're going to go over to one of the designer stores. We have an appointment over there, and then go straight to this Pearl Harbor site. So that'll be super cool. And then there'll be some trading shops and just little like shop setup. And they're going to an authentic luau tonight. So it's gonna be a fun day. I'll make sure I vlog. Yesterday, all we did was go shopping and like all the designer stores. That's all we really did yesterday. That's not all we did. We went to like dinner. We had a good day yesterday, but I didn't vlog. I don't think. Anyway.
Oh, dude, you literally were cuddling with me. Like, you were up close on my leg. You just want me so bad.
To everybody in the
You're so
car right now.
embarrassing. Just stop lying about it. If you wanted to fuck me, you could just say that.
Hey guys, what's up?
She's embarrassing. You're embarrassing me.
Yesterday when we were at dinner, Cassidy was talking to the waiter and he just stopped and just walked away. That was embarrassing, so.
Come on, baby. Put it on nice and tight.
Do you want it wet too? Nice and hard. Fast result.
Don't, you just litter.
No, fuck.
You're gonna get such bad karma.
No, shut up.
No, I'm telling.
I'm gonna make it tight just because you said that.
Don't. Dude, that is so tight.
Dude, no, it's not.
Yeah, pick it up.
Whoa, the dog.
Oh my god, I need my GoPro. Why am I not vlogging? Is it recording?
Yeah.
You're embarrassing.
Shit, I'm sorry. I was in the shot.
Why are you trying to look sexy? That's so silly and quirky.
Why didn't you laugh?
Step on the sand.
How did you pass me, you bitch?
Because it's not that hard.
They made it!
This is so sick.
Sexual healing, baby, is good for me. And I always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my shit just way too long. I'm so gifted at finding what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags. Every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the jerk offs. That'll not take work off. Baby, I got a plan. Run away fast as you can.